am dying. Dang. What is up, guys? Finally made it on the lift here. A little later in the day, but we've got about an hour left in the park. Today is a special day. It marks 150 days on the mountain for me, which I have never done, ever. I said this year I was going to be a little bit more physical, a little bit more active, and make sure I'm in the best shape I can be and be a complete machine. And so far, mission accomplished. And I'm only going up from here, guys. All right, guys, first lap, going straight to the park. Got an hour left in there. Let's get it. Learning new tricks, park's shutting down. Let's go tear up the rest of the mountain. All right, guys, just got done shredding what's left up the Peak 7 Breck Park. It was a fun day. Knee definitely hurts from the last 2 days. I think we're gonna combine all the footage and make a sick edit. And guys, I totally forgot to mention, I'm not using the gimbal today, so I apologize for the shaky footage. Just want to get some good chill riding in. Woo, sticky snow, guys. It is completely dead out here, but someone still managed to ski into the back of me. I don't know how you don't have awareness. It's kind of weird. I'm gonna try super hard not to get hit by anybody this run, but we'll see how that goes. Guys, the snow is so slow. I'm gonna have to unstrap. You gotta be kidding me. Crap. All right, guys, unstrapped, strapped back in, got a little scooch leg, but I think we're ready to get it. The snow is so slow, guys. Like I said, we're getting stuck. Come on! Maybe the longest it's ever taken me to get down in my entire life. I'm sinking so deep. It's like riding water. It's ridiculous. Well, guys, these conditions are absolute garbage. We're gonna call it a day. Either way, still a good 150th day out of the mountain. Later. So, man. Guys, picked a good time to get off the mountain. It is windy as can be. Okay guys, just got off the hill at Breckenridge. It just got super overcast. It's storming up on the peaks, super windy, so I think I made the right choice in calling it a day, but definitely had a blast out there today. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, let me know what other content you guys want to see, whether it's mountain biking, music production, hiking, you name it. I'd be happy to put some of that stuff out for you guys. Later.